AI and machine learning is all over the enterprise marketplace, all over the small to medium business marketplace, and IT departments are still trying to figure out how to integrate it into their systems, their processes, their customers, their workflow. Steve, Integrate.ai has built a platform that's really helping businesses do that. And one of the interesting elements of your platform is the Trusted Signals Exchange, which is a platform enhancing feature that, well, potentially transformational, that helps businesses of all size compete with the prediction machines that Amazon has running at scale. How do you make that work?
The challenge is that most consumer enterprises can't compete with the Amazons of the world in terms of the size and breadth of that data. And so what they end up doing is they go to these data exchanges where they use their consumer data and they exchange it with other companies, or they enhance it, which is essentially just adding rows and columns to a big database. And this causes a lot of privacy and security issues. And so what we've done is we've essentially created this signals exchange, which allows us to transfer patterns of behavior through AI systems between companies in different industries to make better predictions on consumers, deliver better experiences without compromising consumer privacy or security.
How do you give people the assurance that the platform is that secure?
The way that we talk about it today is it used to be that you had people consuming data on both sides. So the reason why we had to put data into a big database is that people on either side needed to read it and get insight from it. What we have now is we've got these AI systems on both sides. And they don't need to be able to see the information the way that we do as humans. They need their math to improve. So they need to be able to make a better statistical prediction on what you might like or what you're interested in at any given time. That doesn't require us to go back to the old techniques to be able to improve the prediction in those areas. And so we found a way to be able to pull the patterns through. We get signal from the interactions between businesses and people. And we've seen billions of interactions between people and businesses. You start to see these recurring patterns that lead to better experiences.
So for a customer that's already using the Exchange platform and getting the benefit of it, what's been the ROI experience?
Well, we've seen anything from 23 to 50% increase in conversion. So let's just say you're showing up, you're a customer of a bank, and the bank has got 7 different products that they can show you at any given time. They probably have hundreds. They need to figure out, like, what do you want? Like, what is the best thing I can give you right now that'll optimize your experience and your value to me as a bank? And they're using rules engines to make a lot of those decisions, which are overly simplistic, and it leaves you feeling misunderstood and probably a mismatch between what I'm offering you and what you want. What we can do is we have the ability to see across 6 different industries, billions of transactions. We can see the patterns that would indicate to us that it might be better, or we might predict that it's better to show you a particular credit card or a particular loan because that might be what you're in the market for right now, which we all want as consumers. The thing that we don't want is we don't want our data used or misused.
Right.
To be able to get there. And we don't want it done in opaque ways behind the scenes. We're all comfortable with a better, more relevant experience.